All right, first time at Euro Auto Trend. I've talked to these guys before, but this might be the first time I do some work with them. This car costing me so much money. All right, guys, you guys know where I am. And popping the trunk on them fools. Got another clutch. I'm sad, but I'm excited because it's a brand new clutch. I'm sad that I had to buy it, but I'm excited I got a new one. Again, guys, shout out to Euro Auto Trend here in St. Cloud, Florida. They got my car up and running. Let's see how it feels. The clutch already feels different. That is going to be a learning experience. The clutch already feels different. So we're going to see how this car drives now, given that the clutch feels totally different, even though I bought the same kit twice. All right, guys, so for me, the car feels totally different. So I had my girlfriend jump in it. Like, you say that it feels different, right? I just want to get
so weird.
Where's the bite point for you?
It's like, it's so much lower than what it used to be.
You mean higher, like up high?
Yeah.
I feel like it's like, so I'm not, the reason why this is going to be important is because we're going to talk about it in the next clip here. But that does not, it's the same exact kit twice, and it doesn't feel any different. I mean, it feels totally different.
This is so weird.
All right, let's go home.
In this car back.
Let me get my car, please.
Bye.
All right, guys. I'm gonna just speed you up on exactly what happened. I let somebody install the clutch. They did a not up to par job on installing the clutch, which caused that to prematurely fail, or the throwout bearing to completely fail prematurely. And the guys at Euro Auto Trend said that they didn't install it correctly. I'm gonna just leave it at that. When it comes to that, it's very frustrating because I'm not complaining about the pricing. $2,600 is what I paid in total between parts and labor, so I'm not gonna cry about it. They worked with me on pricing too, and they worked with me on a lot of stuff. Great guys, not complaining, would recommend them 10 out of 10. I got recommended to them from other Volkswagen guys that live in this area that I just moved to, so I feel confident. But I'm frustrated because I just got the clutch done from another shop that I'm dealing with, not dealing with, but I'm dealing with issues with the Speed 6 pertaining that same shop. Now, when it comes to the Speed 6, this is a Volkswagen video, but when it comes to the Speed 6, I don't like to film it. It's just really honestly was supposed to be a backup car, so the car literally just sits in the garage until I need it. But I've had so many issues with that car, and specifically that shop supposedly built that car, or they put that car together, and they're the ones who worked on my Golf R2. Dude, I'm having a problem with 2 vehicles from that shop. I gotta say something. I'm not gonna out that company, but I'm gonna say something, and I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna put a whole list of things that's been going wrong with the Speed 6 pertaining that shop and their attitude and all that stuff in another video. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I met other people after I bought the Speed 6 and after I got the Golf R fixed, that they've had problems with that shop after I did service with them, and I protected them, and I talked highly of them. And now I'm seeing that given that I let them work on my Golf and they did a crap job on that, and I bought a Speed 6 from them, and they supposedly specialize in Mazda Speeds, and I bought that Mazda Speeds from that company, and that car is the way that it is very frustrating. So shout out to my boys at Omega, shout out to my boys at Euro Auto Trend out here in St. Cloud, and the boys at Omega are in Haines City. They've did a phenomenal job on fixing the bull crap that I've had to deal with those 2 cars given this specific shop. And I'll give a breakdown video of all the things that's been wrong with the Speed 6 since I've owned it. I've owned the car probably about a year, and like how I said before, the car literally just sits. It literally sat in my dad's garage, and the day, or probably like within the month I brought the car home, the AC compressor clutch came off. So that's just a little taste of the stories that I'm going to tell you about this car. But I'm gonna leave it on a high note. At least my Golf R is taken care of now. There's literally up to no problems, other than I'm going to do a custom AC line on it. You guys going to see a video on that coming soon. And then I have my AC back, and the car is 100% finished as pertaining it mechanically. So yeah. But if you enjoyed my videos, like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and I see you guys in the next video.